Mozaic Gourmet is a company that specializes in providing hot beverage solutions to hotels, restaurants and cafes. In my company, what you see over here is that we supply coffee machines, grinders, orange juicers, coffee beans, tea leaves and etc. When we started our company, we come across this brand Café Recha from France. So this brand itself, we studied a little bit deeper about the brand. We realized that this brand itself has a 100 years old history, and also at the same time they are the biggest roaster in France. They supply to more than 70% of the HoReCa market, whereby it occupies the hotels, restaurants and also the catering business and also the cafes. I would always like to invite my customers over to my showroom to take a look at the coffee machine range that we have, the grinders, and to try various sort of coffee beans and also our tea selection. Only if you come to our showroom, you'll be able to enjoy the full-fledged experience that we intend to bring forward to you. If you come over to our showroom, you'll be able to see two brands of coffee machine, Grenica from France and also BFC from Italy. When I came across myIOU, I thought that this is a great product to be introduced during this whole pandemic period. The number one problem of the whole society is all about cash flow, whether is it consumers or businesses. I'm in a business where I supply coffee machines and coffee beans to hotels and restaurants and cafes. Sometimes, very often, every now and then, I would have customers coming to us wanting to buy our machines, but they always say, I cannot afford, too expensive. Or probably they'll say, can give payment terms, can give me 60 days credit or 30 days credit. But with myIOU, now that you come over to me, straight away I tell you, I'm giving you 6 months installment without any interest. So to me, able to offer such a great sales pitch to my customers is something that I dreamt of previously, but I couldn't have it. But now with myIOU, I'm able to tell my customers, come and buy things from me. I'm giving you 6 months installment plan. Want to try my coffee? Hope to see you in my showroom.